This is a fire axe in terrible condition, but in just a few minutes it's going to look completely different. Let's see how it's restored. As always, we start with disassembly. Even though it looks heavily worn, the structure is still intact. This axe was originally made in Germany by a fire equipment manufacturer, a company known for producing reliable tools. Once disassembled, we move on to sandblasting. After blasting, the surface reveals years of wear. Every mark tells a story, but it also shows how much damage needs to be repaired. Next comes grinding. The edge is aligned first, then the damaged areas are worked on. Deep pits and scars are filled using welding. To avoid affecting the steel's properties, the blade is cooled in water after each weld. Once the welds are complete, the excess material is ground down to restore the surface. At this stage, the blade begins to take shape again. However, some structural issues remain. To correct deformation and relieve stress, the metal is heat-treated. The axe head is wrapped in foil, heated to around 650 degrees Celsius, and then slowly cooled. After cooling, the surface is sanded again to check the result. This time, the major defects are gone. Next, fine detailing begins. Edges are deburred and the surface is polished. A mirror-like finish is applied to certain areas. Then comes tempering. The blade is heated again to stabilize the structure and improve durability. A light oil coating is applied to prevent rust. After that, the surface is refined using 400 and 800 grit sandpaper, followed by finer polishing. Now we restore the markings. Using an electrochemical etching method, the original identification is brought back. A low current is applied in a salt solution, allowing controlled marking on the metal surface. Next, we move on to the handle. The original handle is damaged, so it needs to be repaired and reshaped. New fixing pins are made to replace the worn ones. With all parts restored, it's time for assembly. Piece by piece, everything comes back together. And just like that, this fire axe is fully restored, from a worn-out tool to a functional piece once again. What do you think? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.